Welcome to the Missouri Ethics Commission's Following Campaign Finance Money tutorial series. This video will demonstrate how to use the Contributions Over $5,000 search. Starting from mec.mo.gov, scroll to the bottom of the Commission's homepage where you will find a box labeled Searches. The Contributions Over $5,000 search allows you to view all single contributions valued over $5,000 from a single contributor given to a committee. Committees who receive a single contribution valued over $5,000 must file a 48-hour report of contribution received over $5,000, disclosing the contribution. This contribution must also be reported on the committee's next full disclosure report. Click through the tabs to see contributions over $5,000 reported today, reported yesterday, or reported during the current month. As you can see, the search results include the MEC ID of the committee reporting the contribution, the date the report was filed, the name of the committee reporting the contribution, the name and address of the contributor, the date the contribution was made, and the amount of the contribution. Selecting the Advanced Search tab allows you to search for contributions over $5,000 reported by year, contributions filed during a specific time period, contributions received by specific committees, contributions received over a specific monetary threshold, or contributions over $5,000 made by a specific contributor. Simply enter your desired criteria and select Search to view the results. This concludes our Contributions Over $5,000 search tutorial. Thank you for watching. Now stay tuned for Part 9, where we will demonstrate how to use the non-committee expenditures search.